How to feature proposal. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to feature or boost your proposal on Roladel to increase its visibility to clients. First, as you log into your account, open Selling and click the View Proposal. Find the proposal you want to feature. Next, look for the Feature Proposal option. Roladel may give you the choice to use the current balance to boost your proposal or other payment options. Boosting or featuring your proposal places it higher in the client view, making it more likely to be seen and hired. Check the amount it will cost and decide if it's worth boosting for that proposal. Once ready, click Pay. If you boosted it, your proposal will now have increased visibility for buyers in different parts of the website and app. And that's it. Featuring or boosting your proposal can help you stand out, but use it strategically for proposals that are perfect fit for your skills.